dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
Okay, gang. We're ready for the next cartoon. Let her roll. Genuine hickory-flavored mahogany. My favorite dish.
I got you, you red-headed termite. You'll not be committing any more atrocities on me fine furniture. So long, Woodpecker. Now, who could be ringing my doorbell at a crucial moment like this?
Are you Terence Patrick Mulligan O'Houlihan?
That I am.
I have a present for you. This is a check for $1 billion.
$1 billion? Begorra, I'm rich.
Yes, indeed you are. However, there is one stipulation you must observe at all times. If you are found hurting, abusing, acting in a pernicious, malignant, noxious, or injurious manner toward a bird, the entire $1 billion will be reclaimed.
Oh, boy, he can't touch me. I've got it made. Congratulations, O'Houlihan, old buddy, old pal, old chum.
Old pal, is it? Why, I'll murder you, Woodpecker. Tis only a joke I'm playing. I wouldn't be harming me little pal for $1 billion. Real noble I am in me devotion and kindness to me feathered friends.
Good day, sir.
And a good day to you, sir. Ah, I'm rich. 'Tis a mention I'm buying myself, Woodpecker. This old shack is all yours.
Guess who?
Guess who? Oh, 'tis a game we're playing, and me friend is winning as usual. He always gets me in the end. Tis me benefactor. 'Tis good to see you again, Mr. Factor.
Don't try to soft soap me.
Having fun, O'Houlihan?
I'm that surprised to see you, you could knock me over with a feather. Let you and I be friends, Woodpecker. We'll have a mutual non-aggression pact. Just sign on a dotted line.
The pen won't write.
What do you mean it won't write? It'll write in butter. Just press the button like this. Boo-booed. 'Tis a present from me to you, Woodpecker. A little place to call your own. Just having a game of tag, sir.
You're it. What these rich playboys won't do for a thrill.
Yeah, Woodpecker. And for the greatest thrill, I'm going to blow you to smithereens. And the $1 billion check is all mine. $1 billion, all mine.
$1 billion. Oh, boy, I'm rich.
Oh, no, you're not. 'Tis mine. Let go of it.
Okay.
A rubber check.
Yeah, Rubber Check Charlie's been papering the town with him.
Folks, is there a Mrs. Oleander Twinklebach in the audience? I have a $1 billion check for her.
Come on, Charlie.